Hello everyone, this is Rahul Mullidharan from RM Associates. Today we are making this video on the topic of general introduction to cyber law and the services the RM Associates is able to provide. As everybody is aware, we are living in a world of computers and internet and the ecosphere they have created. That means the cyberspace. We use computers everywhere, such as in local shopping centers, railway or airline reservations, in household appliances, mobile phones, banks, etc. Computers give us flexibility and ease of life. Information technology has penetrated every aspect of our lives. That is just one side of the coin, as there is a lot of positive activity going on in the cyber world. In one side, the other side, that is the darker one of the cyber world, is filled with so many issues. This litigation over the cyber assets, cybercrime is on the rise, cyber security breaches are increasing, cyber terrorism is emerging, online frauds, credit card and identity thefts, online employment scams, etc. are on the rise. Thousands of tech companies selling tens of thousands of tech products through e-commerce websites and mobile-based applications. While internet-based business is booming, issues in relation to such business activities are also increasing. There are several instances where both the buyers and the sellers need legal assistance from the lawyers experienced in solving such matters within the legal framework. Skillful drafting and negotiating technology related contracts are essential ingredients for running successful technology or startup company. Whether you are outsourcing the creation of a software, obtaining cloud based services, preparing terms of service and privacy policy for a platform, granting a license, or uploading your own content. Take, for example, in the business of software development, the source code of the product is the basis of your proprietary product. What if the programmer leaves the company or if it goes bankrupt? If the company was a supplier or a licensor, the chances are the vendor will depend on the product. In such a situation, the company needs to ensure continuity of services. Providing a software escrow clause helps in such scenarios. It keeps your software code with a third party so that you or the licensee can access it under the terms of agreement. There are some examples where cyber lawyers' expertise shall be sought after. The massive growth in the incidence of cybercrime can be attributed to the proportionate increase in the number of internet users from their computers, mobile phones, PDAs, digital gadgets, and other Internet of Things, which are creating dangers in the area of privacy and security. The law enforcement authorities are scarcely equipped with resources to manage and contain cybercrimes effectively due to lack of technology and training in the field of digital investigation. A complainant may be turned away by the police for lacking enough material evidence to register an FIR. However, if a complaint is submitted to the police with all the relevant information like the IP address of the computer device from which the cybercriminal had executed the crime and its location with the help of a cyber investigator, it would be easy for the police to register the FIR and make further investigations. A cybercrime investigator could drill down the details of the cybercrime by going deeper so that the criminal who is hiding inside the cyberspace is identified. This will help the police in identifying the magnitude of the issue and proceed further to register the case, conduct deeper investigation, and present before the court, and so forth. Another area of concern is the cybersecurity. It is the practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, network, and data from malicious attack. Successful businesses in cyber technology are built on trust. Trust in their products and services. Trust in and among your employees. And trust by customers in your brand. Cyber attacks take advantage of this trust to access and disrupt your business. To protect the trust in your organization, you need a security partner that can help you respond, identify, and prepare for the ongoing security threats.